Assalamu alaikum, dear equitable guardians and all of my tender as students. In my second term online classes, welcome to you and everybody, how are you? I hope that everyone is well, as always fine and as always neat and clean. Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that cleanliness is a part of faith. At present, it's very important to stay pure every time. If you stay clean, the germ will not attack your body. Dear student, you must use a mask when you go out of the house to prevent coronavirus infection. Why not? If you are good, your parent will be fine. Dear student, in addition to security, you have to keep studying regularly because you are the leader of the future. You will be a teacher, doctor, engineer, scientist, lawyer, a scholar, and so on of the future. Dear student, you have to collect the gem from the bottom of the sea. You have to fly like a bird in the open sky. You have to know about the unknown world. You have to develop your latent talent. Dear student, you have to be confident, self-reliant, conservative, creative, knowledgeable, sweet-spoken, and simple. These are possible only through education. We know that education gives us light, education removes darkness. We also know that education is the backbone of a nation. No nation cannot prosper in life without education. We also know that the more educated a nation is, the more developed it is. So, you have to be educated. Dear student, that is why you have to keep studying regularly. Without studying hard, you cannot success in life and you can be a leader. You know that life is not a bed of roses. Life is very struggle. In this struggling life, if you want to survive yourself, you have to be personal. So go ahead, you can do. The construction work of your life is going on. Dear student, always remember it. Life is not a piece of cake and you are not a chicken. However, I am Shahadat Kabir, assistant teacher, Kalam Mustafa High School. Today I will discuss with you about letter. Dear student, what is letter? What do you mean by letter? Do you know? If you don't know, please listen to me with attentively. If you are not attentive, you cannot realize the head of tail of my speech. However, today I will discuss with you letter. Letter is one of the most popular media of communication. I repeat again, letter is one of the most popular media of communication. Clear? Generally, there are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. There are many types of formal letter, application for academic, application for public concern, job letter, news letter, business letter, invitation letter and email. Dear student, in English first year exam, we will remain an informal letter or an email. What is informal letter? Do you know? Please listen to me. The letter that are written to relatives, friend or close one are called informal. I repeat again. The letter that are written to friend, relatives or close one are called informal. Generally, it is known as the personal letter. The language of the informal letter is very simple, easy, friendly. conversational, unconventional, emotional, and sometimes exaggeration. Okay? Let us go. We write a letter. Dear student, please open your textbook and look at the whiteboard. Please pay attention. We write a letter. Suppose you are safe or cipher. Your school is rich in curricular activities. Your friend Latif or Latifa want to know about co-curricular activities of your school. Now write a letter to him or her. Now write a letter to him or her about co-curricular activities of your school. Okay, dear student, the main theme of the letter is co-curricular activities. Your friend Latif or Latifa want to know you about co-curricular activities of your school, and you know him co-curricular activities of your school. At first, we need to know what is co-curricular activities. Do you know? Co-curricular activities. At first, we know that what is curricular activities. Curricular activities are those activities which is to related an academic course of studies. On the contrary, co-curricular activities are those activities which are undertaken along with academic studies. Clear? I repeat again. Co-curricular activities are those activities which are undertaken along with academic studies. Generally, it is taken out of the classroom. Co-curricular activities is very important for the student. It helps a student to develop solving problem, reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, and collaborative abilities. So, you should read besides textbook, read newspaper, drama, etc. to gather co-curricular activities. Okay? Let us go. We write a letter. At first, you should read the sender. The letter of the sender is Saif and receiver Latif or Latifa. You should sender at first in here and date is here. Okay? Let us at first you should write sender, dear receiver, in here receiver, dear Latif. At first take my cordial laughs. At first, take my cordial laughs. I hope that. Please write down this letter on your notebook. I hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His grace. I received your letter yesterday. In your letter you wanted to know about co-curricular activities of our school. Dear Latif, at first take my cordial laughs. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by His grace. I received your letter yesterday. In your letter, you wanted to know about co-curricular activities of our school. The school has a popularity for its co-curricular activities. The school has a popularity for its co-curricular activities. We participate in many co-curricular activities. We participate in many co-curricular activities of our school. They are very important for us. They are very important for us. Okay. We play football, cricket, table tennis, badminton. We play football, cricket, table tennis, badminton, and many other games. We take part in indoor and outdoor games. Our school arranges debates competition, and published magazine annual. We also take part in drawing competition. Okay. Every year, our school arranges a picnic and a study tour. Really, the co-curricular activities develop us to confident and self-reliant. Self-reliant. No more today. No more today. Convey my salam. To your parents. Okay, at last you should give them love and esteem. We play football, cricket, table tennis, badminton, and many other games. We take part in indoors and outdoor games. Our school arranges debates competition and publishes magazine annually. We also take part in drawing competition every year. Every year, our school every year our school arranges a picnic and a study tour. Really, the co-curricular activities develop us to confident and self-reliant. Okay, no more today. Convey my salam to your parent. Please look at the whiteboard. At last, you should give a stamp. In here, sender information, and in here, receiver information from Saif Coxburger to Latif Dhaka A 1 2. Okay, dear student, today we acquire what is the co-curricular activities. I repeat again, co-curricular activities are those activities which are undertaken along with academic studies. It's very important to a student. It helps a student to develop solving problem, reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, and collaborate abilities. Okay, you should read newspaper, drama, novel to gather extra knowledge besides your textbook. Okay. Thank you. Today's part. Stay well, stay fine. See you on the next classes. Assalamu alaikum.